Students, let us start new chapter, coal and petroleum. In our daily life, we require some material. Some materials and resources are natural and some are man-made. In natural resources like air, water, coal, soil, petroleum, forests, minerals, etc. According to man-made resources like paper, rubber, wax, glass, plastic, etc. In this chapter, we will read about natural resources. What is the definition of natural resources? The resources which are provided by nature like air, water, soil, coal, petroleum, etc. But these natural resources are not in the same amount in nature. According to the amount of the natural resources present in nature, we will divide these natural resources into two categories. One is exhaustible natural resources, another is inexhaustible natural resources. Is it clear? What do you mean by natural resources? The resources which are obtained by the nature. And these are also natural resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Okay, according to the amount presence of these resources in the nature. What is the meaning of exhaustible natural resources? The resources which are present in a limited amount in nature. Okay, natural resources are not in the same amount. Some are limited and some are unlimited. Exhaustible resources are unlimited, and these cannot be continually replenished. It will take more time for their formation, and these resources likely to be exhausted by various human activities. By the human, they can be exhausted, they can be finished. Is that clear? Example of exhaustible natural resources are petroleum, coal, natural gas, minerals and forest. One by one we will read in this chapter about coal, petroleum and natural gas in detail. Another natural resources are inexhaustible. The resources which are present in unlimited amount in nature. These are continually replenished. Okay, they will take less time in their formation, and these cannot be easily finished or exhausted by human activities. Example of inexhaustible natural resources are air, water, soil, sunlight, etc. Okay, so today you will learn the differences between exhaustible and inexhaustible natural resources. Thank you.